Step 4. Implement and humanize your brand. A great plan is worthless without implementing it. This requires the hardest part because it requires consistent action and self-control. You have to stop negative rumors by flooding the market with positive proof. Sounds logical, right? Now do it. Richard didn't just issue a press release to saying, he's a nice guy now. He took action and worked on his self-control and on his interpersonal relationships. He strategically showed his value by giving interviews and directed the conversation on his pro bono work